Hello there, Alex here, and today I've got an unboxing. I've already obviously cut the tape off here, but that's quite an exciting one today. I'm going to be opening. Wonder what it is, You can see a glimpse of it there. Let me pull out this little bag. Who's that in there? Let's see if I can get that out. Oh. Why, it's Chopper C110OP. Well, what else is in here? A small bag with a few parts in it. And get that out of the way. Here we have the original 2014 Star Wars Rebels Phantom. I ordered this one on eBay for £15. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the Ezra minifigure, but I'll see about purchasing that separately. So here it is, the Phantom, the original set from 2014. I've actually not done my research for this one, so I'll maybe put the specifications up on screen. But this is the original 2014 Star Wars Rebels Phantom. As you can see, Ezra is not included in this one. Unfortunately, it wasn't included in the listing. However, I'm going to try and purchase that minifigure in a later date. I got this for £15 on eBay, so not too bad. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use Sabine here just to really represent the, you know, what you could do with Ezra otherwise. So you open the cockpit there, plonk your minifig in, close it right on down. So there's obviously a spring-loaded shooter there. Get that lost easily, so there is a spare one included. Let it drop down on the floor here. There we go. Then you can obviously open the wings out. I'm getting my clothes caught on my tripod, sorry. Look at that. Could be a little, oops. Could be a little bit difficult there to keep it up. But then close that up. In the back, storage, and then you plonk Chopper snugly. He fits quite snugly down in there. And you just plonk that back on top. Fold out the wings and go on your merry way. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, like it, please. If you want to share your thoughts on this particular set, please do share in the comments. I think this is... I'm not sure what I would rate it, because, you know, I would just about rate any LEGO set a 10 out of 10, but, you know, that's not fair. So I would give this one, because I don't like this. I don't like that you can see the underside of these plates, so that'll deduct a couple of points. I don't really like the stud shooter on top there, so that deducts it from the... So I give it a 7 out of 10. I also don't like this here. I feel like this should be built out a bit more. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I think that's fair. So thanks for watching and have a good day.